Several states along the southern U.S. border say they are overwhelmed with migrants, and they say the situation's about to get worse. Madeline Rivera on a looming U.S. Supreme Court decision on a pandemic policy that could turn back migrants or allow them to keep crossing the border.
What you're seeing at this Border Patrol Processing Center in El Paso, Texas, is only the tip of the iceberg, local and state officials say. The video taken by Congressman Tony Gonzalez Friday shows extreme overcrowding, 4,600 migrants in federal custody in a facility that only holds a capacity of 1,040 people. 400 Texas National Guard members have been deployed to the city, which is now under a state of emergency.
We've been asked to expand our coverage to include El Paso to help DPS and local law enforcement secure the area of the border where you see a lot of migrant activity right now.
El Paso is one of several cities along the U.S.-Mexico border scrambling to prepare for a flood of migrants ahead of the termination of Title 42. The pandemic-era policy imposed by former President Trump in 2020 allowed border officials to quickly remove migrants to prevent the spread of COVID. But it was set to end on Wednesday until the Supreme Court stepped in Monday, blocking an order that would lift the restriction. 19 GOP-led states had asked the High Court for an emergency stay that would keep Title 42 in place.
When Title 42 ends, we're going to see an absolute explosion.
With Title 42's termination on hold, the Department of Homeland Security is urging Congress to provide border security funding and pass comprehensive immigration measures.
If Congress wants to turn people back around or stop allowing people to make asylum claims, then they have to make that change in the law.
For its part, the White House says it's surging resources to the border and insists the border is not open. In Washington, Madeline Rivera, WDRB News.